Today we're taking a closer look at the Arrow Pista Slip-On, featuring a titanium silencer, a carbon fiber end cap, and a full stainless steel link pipe made specific for the RSV4 1100 factory models. If you're chasing the MotoGP sound and super bike looks, this may be exactly the pipe you're looking for. My name is Alex at Accessories International. Let's get right into it. This is the Arrow Pista Slip-On. Now this exhaust was developed with one mission in mind, and that's track performance. The system is designed, developed, and tested on the circuit with real racing input behind the shape and the materials. Now this is dedicated to riders who want that raw racing edge, both in performance and in presence as well. Now taking a closer look at the exhaust itself, the silencer body here is made from a lightweight titanium, which is going to help reduce the overall weight of your bike while improving heat resistance and longevity. It's finished with a carbon fiber end cap at the end here, giving that exhaust the race-ready aesthetic that you're looking for. Now the link pipe on this side is stainless steel and is precision formed to mate up with your stock collector nicely. The internal components are made from stainless steel, and the system includes a removable dB killer, so you can control exactly how loud your exhaust is going to sound. Now looking at the overall specs of this exhaust, you're coming in at right about 12 inches in length on this, with an inlet and outlet diameter of 60 millimeters. Now you do have a welded mounting bracket on the exhaust for secure fitment, and there is no oxygen sensor or CO plug. It's going to be a pure performance system on this Arrow exhaust. Now the installation of this exhaust is going to be real straightforward with a direct bolt-on install, no need to modify or drill anything, and the kit includes a carbon heel guard and a heat shield with hardware and even adhesive for the decal for a final touch. After you remove the exhaust valve, you're going to get a check engine light, so you do want to get yourself a servo eliminator in order to clear that code. You can expect the install time to be around 45 minutes to an hour with moderate difficulty if you're familiar with installations of aftermarket exhausts. Now to wrap it up, the Arrow Pista Slip-On for the RSV4 1100 factory models is as close as you'll get to a factory race setup in a slip-on format. Now if you have questions about fitment, tuning, install, anything like that, feel free to drop us a comment and we'll be happy to answer it. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you want to talk to us directly, give us a call at 786-242-5400. If you found any value today in this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to head to our website to get yourself this new Arrow exhaust. Thanks again for tuning into the video. We'll see you next time.